Reimagining and revolutionizing old wooden furniture for modern decor is more than a trend. It's a movement born out of creativity, purpose, and sustainability. What inspires this transformation is not only the beauty of the material itself, but also the deep sense of continuity that connects the past with the present. Each piece of reclaimed wood carries a story, a memory etched in every grain, a whisper of craftsmanship from another time. When modern makers take this raw, time-worn beauty and rework it into something new, they don't just create furniture. They revive history, renew value, and reshape the way we think about consumption, design, and meaning. In a world that moves fast and disposes even faster, this approach invites us to slow down and rediscover the art of reinvention, where sustainability meets sophistication and nostalgia becomes the foundation of modern living. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of decor ideas. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will explore what inspires two reimagining and revolutionizing wooden old furniture for modern decor and making big profit ideas. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. What drives this reimagining is the realization that true luxury is not about perfection or novelty, but about authenticity. Old wooden furniture has already proven its strength and endurance. It has survived years, sometimes decades of use. This durability, combined with the timeless beauty of natural wood, makes it an ideal canvas for modern reinterpretation. The scratches, patina, and worn edges tell stories of life and use. Instead of erasing them, creators highlight them, celebrating imperfection as a form of truth. This shift in perception, from waste to worth, from old to iconic, reflects a growing global desire for mindful living. People are no longer chasing disposable trends. They are seeking objects that mean something, that embody craftsmanship, sustainability, and emotional connection. The revolution in wooden furniture design also mirrors the shift in consumer values. Today's homeowners want more than function. They want soul. A repurposed farmhouse table or a reinvented antique cabinet becomes more than decor. It becomes a statement about conscious choices. It symbolizes a rejection of mass production and a return to artistry. For many makers, the process of transforming old wood into modern pieces is deeply personal and therapeutic. It is a dance between imagination and tradition, where every cut, polish, and finish brings forgotten material back to life. In that creative act lies inspiration, the chance to create something sustainable, meaningful, and profitable without depleting the planet's resources. From a business perspective, the potential is enormous. The global demand for sustainable, handcrafted furniture is rapidly rising as more people embrace eco-conscious design. Old wooden furniture, when thoughtfully restored or redesigned, holds immense market value because it blends nostalgia with modern aesthetics. Entrepreneurs and small-scale artisans are discovering that repurposing is not just an ethical choice, but a smart economic one. Instead of costly raw materials, they work with reclaimed wood that often comes free or at minimal cost, salvaged from old homes, warehouses, or vintage markets. Through creativity and craftsmanship, what was once discarded becomes a high-demand piece that sells for premium prices. It's the ultimate expression of doing well by doing good, building a business that is profitable, sustainable, and fulfilling. But beyond profit, what truly inspires this movement is the human connection it restores. When people choose reimagined wooden furniture for their homes, they are choosing history, personality, and artistry. They are buying into a story, one that reminds them of patience, resilience, and transformation. In this sense, each piece becomes a reflection of the maker's passion and the owner's values. It turns spaces into sanctuaries and decor into dialogue. Every grain, every joint, and every reclaimed element carries with it an emotional resonance, reminding us that beauty doesn't have to be new, it just has to be real. We hope you're enjoying today's video. If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Let's spread creativity and inspire more people to build beautiful spaces with their hands. Modern design aesthetics have only deepened the appreciation for reclaimed furniture. Clean lines, minimalism, and biophilic design, trends that connect humans to nature, blend perfectly with the organic warmth of old wood. The subtle imperfections, tonal variations, and tactile richness of reclaimed materials offer a counterbalance to the digital, fast-paced world we live in. In an era dominated by uniformity, handmade and repurposed wooden pieces stand out precisely because they are one of a kind. Each creation bears the fingerprints of the maker, the marks of time, and the soul of the material. This authenticity gives modern interiors a depth and warmth that no factory-produced item can replicate. For creators, this journey is equally transformative. It's not just about building furniture, it's about rediscovering one's own creativity and connection to the natural world. The process of working with reclaimed wood teaches patience and respect. It demands listening to the material, understanding its past, and imagining its potential future. In this meditative rhythm of crafting, sanding, and shaping, many artisans find a sense of peace and purpose. It becomes more than work. It becomes a form of self-expression, a lifestyle, and even a calling. The environmental impact of this movement cannot be overstated. By reclaiming and reimagining old furniture, makers contribute to reducing deforestation, waste, and carbon emissions. Each restored table, bench, or shelf means fewer new trees cut down and less furniture ending up in landfills. It's a small yet powerful step towards circular design, where nothing is wasted and everything has potential for renewal. This sustainable mindset is also incredibly appealing to modern consumers, who are becoming increasingly conscious of the ecological footprint of their purchases. When they invest in reclaimed wooden decor, they're not only beautifying their homes, they're supporting a more ethical and responsible way of living. Ultimately, what inspires us to reimagine and revolutionize old wooden furniture is the realization that this craft bridges generations. It connects the wisdom of traditional woodworking with the creativity of modern design. It's a living art form that honors the past while shaping the future. Every reclaimed piece becomes a metaphor for renewal, a reminder that with care and imagination, even what seems worn out or forgotten can be reborn into something extraordinary. The beauty of this transformation lies in its balance. It's practical yet poetic, sustainable yet stylish, nostalgic yet innovative. In today's world, where authenticity is rare and sustainability essential, the revival of old wooden furniture into modern masterpieces stands as a symbol of both resilience and reinvention. It speaks to our collective yearning for deeper meaning in the things we own and create. It teaches us that true value doesn't fade with age, it evolves. And perhaps that's the most inspiring lesson of all. When we reimagine with purpose, we don't just make beautiful things, we make the world and ourselves a little more whole. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. our hand-picked reimagine old wood for modern home and big profits ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.